Now students, moving towards our another slide, organ. Now here I've given the terms of organ. The definition of organ is given over here as termed as cells and tissues are organized into larger body parts called organ. Now here the meaning of organ is given as first cells form into the group of cells form into tissues, then the group of tissues form into organs, then that makes an organ. And now here you can see, you can relate it over here. Cells and tissues organized into larger body parts are called organs. I hope you have gotten the concept over here that first there are a group of cells that forms a tissue, then a group of tissues and cells form larger body parts, and that is called organs. Now what's the explanation for it? It is as an organ is made from a group of tissue which all work together to do particular job. As we have learned in our previous slide from tissues, that such as tissues, the organs are also organized to do some particular job. They're also given some jobs which they have to do some specifically. Examples are heart. As you can know, I hope you all know that what does heart do? Heart pumps the blood inside the body and it provides us oxygen. And so does the lung provides us inhaling and exhaling. It helps in breathing. And you know the stomach and intestine, what does brain do, and eyes. I hope you all know the rest. And these are the examples of organs. Now moving towards our another slide. Now we're going to compare tissue and organs. What's the difference between them? The tissues have same type of cells grouped together, whereas organs have several type of, means different type of cells grouped together. What do tissues do? They perform single function, whereas organs deals with functions. They perform and deal with functions. Okay, tissues can be repaired, and now organ, coming towards organ, this term over here means that when a tissue repairs, the organ repairs by the repairing of tissues. Okay, I hope you understood. Now, major structure component of an organ is tissue. Okay, over here they've given us the term that major structure component of an organ is termed tissue. And what does this do? This is the structural component of an organ. As we've discussed, this muscular tissue is an example of tissue. An organ is heart is an example of organ. I hope you've understood the difference between them both and understood them separately too. Now moving towards the flow chart, we're going to wind up the chapter.